Hello everyone, it's me, Evil Bashar, and today we're gonna learn about slang and idioms. But before we start, what am I doing here? Why am I on the big screen? So what we're doing is called CMC, Computer Mediated Communication. Now you might think this is what CMC is.
Hello, pretty girl. What you doing?
Leave me alone, you old loser.
But that's not true. CMC is more like when we use apps such as Google Meets, Zoom, and YouTube to communicate with each other through computers. Now that we got that out of the way, let's begin with our first subject. What is slang? Now, the official definition of slang is a type of language consisting of words and phrases that are regarded as very informal, are more common in speech than writing, and are typically restricted to a particular context or group of people. Basically, it's something you only use with your friends and not in something important like an interview, where you wouldn't say, yo, what's good fam, and they would just say, what are you saying to me right now, straight in your face, and you would fail that interview right then and there. Some common slang words, for example, one of them is capping. Capping doesn't necessarily mean the headwear in this context. Cap means lie. Capping means lying. When someone wants you, for example, to stop the cap, they mean they want you to stop lying. When someone says stop capping, they mean stop lying. Another example of this is the word chill. No, not that type of chill. Chill means relax or relaxed. When someone calls themselves a chill guy, this means that they're a very relaxed person. Now, I want you. Yes, you heard me right. You, right there in the classroom, to come up with some common slang words that you can think of and list them all in the class. I can wait. Go ahead. I've got all day. I have got all day. What are idioms? Idioms, unlike slang, which is very straightforward and very normal because they mean the thing that they mean, just like words in a dictionary, idioms are a bit more complicated than that. They mean one thing, but they say another thing, which is usually very, very confusing for a lot of people. Cost an arm and a leg. When we say something cost an arm and a leg, we don't actually mean that we had to get rid of our arm and our leg in order to get what we had to buy. What we actually mean is that whatever we bought was very, very expensive. For example, this could be a car, or a house, or it could be... Yeah, anyway, moving on. Raining cats and dogs. When we say it's raining cats and dogs, we don't actually mean cats and dogs are falling out of the sky. What we actually mean is that it's raining, and it's raining really, really hard. For example, here's a video of my old dog and my new cat as proof that they did not fall out of the sky. And yeah, they didn't come from rain, they're just normal. Alright, and now again, we do the same thing we did with slang, now with idioms. Tell me some idioms that you can think of. And start discussing now. Discuss, go, discuss. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time for a lightning round. I and my wonderful assistant here are gonna tell you a list of idioms and slangs, and you're gonna have some time to figure out if they're an idiom or a slang and what they mean. You can not look them up. You have to, that's cheating. I don't want you to cheat. But if you know it, just raise your hand and my assistant will help you answer the question. Yeah, come on, let's go, let's go. Camping is a slang word used in video games to express that someone is staying in one place for a very extended period of time. Under the weather is an idiom that holds the meaning feeling ill, sick, or unwell. Phantom tax is a slang word which is the act of stealing food from a friend, though the meaning sometimes transcends food. Once in a blue moon is an idiom which means very rarely, as blue moons are also rare. Riz is a slang word, which is the shortened version of charisma. And unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson about slangs and idioms, and maybe even learned something new along the way. See ya!